Hi, welcome to the business income tracker walkthrough video. First of all, we have a summary section on the top which helps you keep track of all your business income. We have the estimated income, then the actual income, the difference in between both, then the status which reflects whether the income has been achieved or not, and the overall percentage of total income achieved. Then we can go to the income source over here. So under each of the income source, you can see the estimated income mark, the actual income and the percentage. If you click on this estimated income value, you can change this value to whatever target you have set. So let's say I change it to $8,500. It automatically updates with all the specific percentages. You also have this pencil icon over here. So once you click on this pencil icon, you can update the income source name. So let's say I'm changing it to income one. So once it is given a new name, it automatically updates. Okay. Then you can go to the monthly income, which have the January, February, March highlighted over here. You can add in more months as per your requirement. And here also we have the estimated income, the actual income, the percentages. All these values are editable. So once you click on this pencil icon, you can change the month over here to any of your choice and make it as such whatever your requirement is. Then we have a yearly income. It also reflects yearly wise income breakdown. And finally, if you scroll down to the bottom, you can see the income details section over here. You can put the income details, the dates. Once you click on this, and you can choose a specific date. So let's say I'm choosing it to March month. It automatically jumps to the March section over here. And then we have the month over here. So once I click on this, I can uncheck or unselect whatever was there earlier, and then I can select the new value over here. And we have the year and the income source. So once I click on this income source, I can select any of the income source that was added earlier, and you can accordingly proceed. And then finally we have the amount section. So this is how it can help you to keep track of a business income requirement. This tracker is completely customizable as per your requirement, and you can use it in any way possible as per your choice. Feel free to reach out to me at notionformyuse@gmail.com, and I'll be happy to assist.